welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my BoxyLuxe. It's huge. It's like a really long box this time. I swear, every single month I get a different shaped box from BoxyCharm now. It's very interesting to me. They have all these different shapes now that they didn't have before. It used to all just be like the same shaped boxes, but now, nope, not anymore. I gotta cut them open so I can actually get into this, or I'll be ripping open the thing forever and we will never get through this box. Alright. Yay! Hello, Charmer. Okay. Open. So this is the little card with all the stuff on it. I'm not gonna look at it, so I'm surprised, just like you guys. I kind of have an idea of what might be in this box, but I also really don't, because there could be like so many different things in this thing. So we're gonna open it. And the first thing I see, I'm so excited. I gotta open this thing. I was really hoping to get this. Oh, I got the Violet Voss Essentials palette. Guys, look at how pretty this thing is. Like, do you see those colors? Oh girl. I have another Violet Voss palette that I got, I think in the first BoxyLuxe I ever got, and I still haven't used it, which is terrible, but oh my gosh, look at this green. This is like just life right here. Oh, I love that color so much, and it's pink. Oh yes, I cannot wait to put these on my eyeballs. They're gonna be really pretty, and there's a dusty rose in here. And this cream won't last long. I love white eyeshadows, or like kind of like off-white eyeshadows. I probably use them the most just because I've always had like this thing where I put white base no matter what if I'm wearing makeup on. I just like having my eyelid look solidly one color if I'm not going to wear eyeshadow or something. I just think it helps make the rest of my makeup really pop and stand out and look all pretty and whatever. But I'm so excited I got this. And this retails for $29. I swear I almost bought a palette like this at Sephora the other day, but I was like, refrain yourself. You might get one in your BoxyLuxe when it comes. So here it is. I'm super stoked about this. So that is the first thing. Oh my goodness. And I got the Park Avenue Princess palette. Let's see if I can get this baby open. This thing is heavy. Ooh. That's pretty. Look at this palette. Oh my goodness. Those are beautiful colors. Those are gonna look great on my skin tone. They're lighter, they're pretty. Oh my gosh. Chiseled like a diamond is what the mirror says in this corner. How cute is that? I like this packaging. That's so pretty. Like, this thing is pretty heavy though. Like, heavy duty. Alright, so this retails for $45. So far, this box is bomb. Alright, we gotta get rid of this. Holy crap. I actually got the curling iron. I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, because they posted it today on their website. And I was like, it's from Sutra Beauty. Let's see how much this thing is. This thing is 65 bucks. Holy cannolis. Let's open this baby up. I'm so excited. Being a hairstylist, like, I can never have too many hot tools, you know? It's just one of those things. We love them all. We want them all. Guys, look at how cute this thing is. I've always wanted a wand and I've never had one. Isn't that crazy? I've never owned my own actual wand. Now I have one. It's right here with this cute little bag. Oh, baby. And there's a card in here. Nice. Has a warranty. I guess they have flat irons, normal curling iron. But this is so nice. It's like a nice sized barrel as well, because my hair is not short anymore. It's getting pretty long. So this is a good barrel for the length of hair that I currently have. And even more, if I wanted to, I could take this to work and use it, which I'm totally cool with, having more stuff to use at work, because you can never have too much styling stuff, hair products, hair tools, color, you know. It's a crazy world out there. So yeah, so this retails for $65. I might actually do a tutorial with this because I haven't done like any tutorials with Hot Tools, I feel like, on my channel. So maybe I will do my first Hot Tools review slash tutorial thing with this thing. Alright, what else is in this baby? There's so much in here. Alright, so this is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask from Dr. Brandt. And that is what this looks like. Looking fabulous. And this retails for $52 for this mask. I'm actually super stoked to put this on. Help my skin get a little more life to it. It's not doing too bad right now, but it goes, you know, up and down. The beauty of having skin. Alright, and then this is eyeliner from Hank and Henry. Nice and black, which is what you always want with eyeliner unless you want like some fun colors and stuff. And this retails for $20. Next in this box is this Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Rubino. I don't know why I always get red. I do not wear very many reds, but this is like a really dark red. Holy Toledos. Look at that. That is just craziness. Interesting. I've actually never used one of these, so I will have to try this out and see if it lasts well and feels good and all that good stuff. And that retails for $22. Alright, next is this Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. Look at how nice this jar is. Super fancy. Brightening stuff is my favorite, honestly, just because I like my skin tone to be as even and as bright and pretty and clean as it possibly can be. I really love brightening stuff just for all of that. And this goes for $65. Let's see if I can smell it. Ooh. It smells really like refreshing. And it's a really pretty color. Like an ocean color. I like it. And then the last thing in this box. This is from IGK. I'm guessing is how you say that. And it's called Mistress. And it's a hydrating hair balm. And it has coconut oil in it. It's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. It's for dry, coarse, or frizzy hair. And it helps smooth, soften, and hydrate hair. And you apply it to when it is damp and either let your hair air dry or blow it out. So this stays in your hair. So it's basically a leave-in conditioner. It's the hydrating hair balm leave-in conditioner. And this retails for $29. So this is a really good box, I think. There's a lot of really great stuff in here. Like you get a hair product, that's great, with a curling iron, and then you get a liquid lipstick and an eyeliner, a nice brightening cream, a sleeping mask. So you got skincare, hair care, and then makeup. And you get a good eyeshadow palette and a really awesome like highlighting, contouring palette. So I think this box overall was awesome. All the stuff in it is really great and you can literally use all of it and none of it will go to waste, which is great. And they touch all the bases of everything with beauty, which is cool. Alright, let's see how much this box is worth.
29 plus 52 plus 20 plus 22 plus 45 plus 65 plus 65 plus 29.
So it is $3.27. That is a great value because you pay $50 for this box and you get quite a bit back in value with it, which is awesome. And you're gonna try out a lot of really great stuff that you might not actually buy. So I'm super stoked about this box for this month. September was great. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much.